Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic water vapor. In last my class I have explained to you different components of air. Different components of air. And last one that water vapor and dust particles is remaining. Now I will explain water vapor. The water vapor is in the form of water. It cannot be seen. Can't see that particles. Okay. So that water vapor in the atmosphere. Now how we can easy to find that atmosphere having that water vapor? So we can see and we can understand that one in the help of wind. That we will feel that cold appearance and cold feeling. So we can easily to understand that atmosphere having air. So first of all of you want to learn what is mean by humidity. The humidity means very simple. The amount of water vapor. The amount of water vapor in the air. That is called humidity. The humidity is increasing and humidity is decreasing this depend upon that climate. Okay. During that winter season, the humidity is higher, and the summer season, that humidity is very comparatively very less. So, the humidity means the amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. Next one, the water vapor is increasing in the atmosphere. The water vapor is increasing. What happened? The humidity is also increasing. Humidity is also increasing. Okay. Then how the atmosphere having water vapor? So only two main processes that the atmosphere having water vapor. That main two functions or two processes, that is one is evaporation and next one is transpiration. I hope all of you know that what is mean by evaporation. The conversion and the converting water vapor into the atmosphere at any temperature. At any temperature. Transfer of the water vapor into the atmosphere at any temperature. So it is mainly happen in that surface of the water sources. Surface of the water source. So for example, lake, pond, river, ocean. So this is the source of water. So here in that during that time what happened, that increase in the temperature, that surface of the water get heated. As a result, what happened, the water turned to forming water vapor. So according to the transpiration, the water is evaporated in the form of vapor, water vapor into the atmosphere. Okay. And next one, transpiration. What is the transpiration? It is also removal of water vapor from the surface of the leaves. Surface of the plant leaves. Okay. That's a transpiration. According to these two methods or these two processes, the water vapor is sending to the atmosphere. As a result, what happens? The atmospheric humidity or atmospheric water vapor content is increasing. Okay. So during that cold climate, during the winter season, that humidity is increasing. So as a result, what happens? The transpiration and the evaporation rate is comparatively going down. Okay. And the winter season, summer season, what happens? That we are getting too much temperature, sunlight. As a result, what happens? That the surface of the water and the leaf surface, everything get heated. As a result, produce the water vapor and leave to atmosphere. According to this way, the atmosphere having water vapor. And the next topic, dust particles. It is also one member or one component of the air. Okay. So it is the last component of the air, dust particles. I hope all of you know in the atmosphere having the dust particles. How it come from and where it come from. Now we want to learn is the sources of dust. Okay, the few sources given here only. So mainly it comes from the blowing of wind. The blowing of wind. So what happens? The minute dust particles will be emitted in the help of the wind as roaming in the is around us. Okay. Next one, traffic on the road. Traffic on the road. It is also other sources of emitting the dust particles into the atmosphere. And third one, dusting at home. Dusting at home. The home is also having dust particles. While we are doing some activities, what happen? These dust particles also emitted out. Okay. And the last one, fourth one, the construction activities. Some of the construction activities definitely produce dust particles that emitted into the atmosphere. Okay. And finally, the agricultural activity. So during these activities also what happens that some quantities of dust particles emitted into the atmosphere or released into the atmosphere. So according to these different ways that the atmosphere get dust particles and transfer into the atmosphere, as a result what happens? The numerous number of different type of respiratory disorders is formed. The asthma, allergy, and other kind of problems, health-related issues is formed during this excess amount of dust particles emitted into the atmosphere. So, due to these activities, this cause some different type of respiratory disorders. So, all of you learn these points. The first one, the water vapor, and what is the humidity, and next one, dust particles and source of dust particles, and what is the effect, and what is the, if increase in the concentration of dust particles, what happen in the human bodies, and this much information all of you learn clearly. Okay, thank you.